Do you ever have those days where getting out of bed seems like a major feat of strength? Where the amount of energy that would take you to pull yourself together and get dressed just isn't worth it? Yeah, I know those feelings all too well. Hey guys, if you've ever had those days, then this video is exactly what you're looking for. Keep on watching. Even the most well-adjusted people have those days. So I'm going to run you guys through my morning self-care routine and give you my 4 top self-care practices that I do every morning to help promote mental wellness. I have been a little lacking on these lately, which I have mentioned in my past videos, but I am trying to get back into my routine. So I'm hoping that sharing them with you will get me back on track to living my most optimal life. The first thing I do is I let myself wake up. Seems kind of simple, right? But the vast majority of us wake up to an alarm, snooze at a timer 5, and then get up and start getting ready. Half the time when I do that, I'm still trying to wake up 30 minutes into getting ready. So what I do is if I don't have to wake up to an alarm that day, I wake up when my body wakes up and I lay in bed for a few minutes until my body catches up with my mind. My mind has been working all night providing dreams for me, so I have to let my body catch up to it. If I do have to wake up to an alarm, I set it about half an hour before I have to wake up so that I can still provide myself the time to wake up naturally and let my body catch up to my mind. So that way, when I go to try to do things, I'm fully awake and fully focused on what I'm actually doing. So the second thing that I do is turn on my diffuser. The night before, I fill my diffuser up with water and some essential oils to help wake me up. So when I wake up, I just have to turn it on, and those amazing magical aromas can help wake me up. My favorite blend to use in the morning is peppermint with orange. I don't know what it is about those 2 oils together, but it seriously gives me motivation and energy to take my day by storm. I will be talking more about essential oils in a future video, so please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that one. So the third thing that I do is meditate. I know most people, when they think of meditation, they think that it's used to help relax and help promote sleep. While this is true, there are also so many guided meditations out there that help promote wakefulness and motivation. So I use a guided meditation every morning. It's about 10 minutes long to help wake me up, help me get focused for my day. I will be doing a video in the future on guided meditation as well as meditation apps that I use. So again, hit that subscribe button if you want to see that one. So the fourth thing that I do is I journal. Not only do I journal in my regular journal, especially if I had dreams, especially if I had nightmares, I do suffer from some pretty bad night terrors sometimes, but I also fill in my bullet journal. In my bullet journal, I have different categories to track how long I slept, how good my sleep was, what kind of dreams I had, as well as some other things. If you don't know what bullet journaling is, don't worry, I will be making a video on that as well in the future. So again, hit that subscribe button if you want to see any of these amazing videos that I have coming in the future. So I do all of this stuff before I even get out of bed. This is why I need to set my alarm 30 minutes before. Some days I need a little bit of extra time, sometimes I don't need all of these things, but they're there if I need them because I know they work for me. But like all things, not everything is going to work for every person, so I want to know what kind of things you guys do to help you start your days on the right foot. Please comment down below, I would love to find out. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and commenting below. Maybe even consider subscribing, I would really appreciate it. But until next time, please remember to be kind to others, but most importantly, be kind to yourself. And bye for now.